What a trip.
Absolute trip. And I mean, there's so many beautiful bits in that. I mean, what are your favorites though? And this, I think,
I wrote it down so that I don't forget it.
yeah, me too, me too.
The
Okay, so
strings arrangement in the
okay,
music.
so actually, so here's the thing. It seems like such a polished song, but it's actually from one of their earliest albums. This is from 2003's Variations on a Dream.
Uh-huh.
So, I mean, this is still before Pineapple Thief actually found their sound, which started, I guess, with Little Man and then refined later through Somewhere Here Is Missing and stuff. So, this is like, I mean, damn mature, very,
Oh,
very, very, very
obviously,
long.
yeah.
I don't think like even Porcupine Tree matured this quickly. They were still mucking around.
No, absolutely not. I mean, just the way that the song is structured itself, it's just
Yeah,
so fantastic. They knew what they were doing. I mean, like Bruce
yeah,
obviously
yeah.
knows what he was doing, but wow, just like basically, I mean, the strings arrangement is just impeccable. It's so
Yeah.
so well done.
And
And I think both of us noticed the tuned tom toms at the same
Tom
time.
Toms.
Doom,
Yes.
doom, doom, doom,
Yeah, I
doom.
was just going to say. So, if anyone thinks, anyone who's gotten to Pineapple Thief recently and thinks like it's only the post Gavin Harrison era that had great drumming, you're very
No, no,
mistaken. Keith
yeah,
Harrison was a great drummer, and
no,
this
no
was such.
relation.
Yeah, I mean, no relation. Yeah, but this song is a great example of that, right? Those
Yeah,
little things, those little fresh, like the three tuned down toms. The first time I'm noticing them actually.
yeah, me too, me too. It was really
Yeah,
good.
very nice. The other thing was, so do you know this band called Suede by any chance?
Yeah,
Suede.
of course I do.
Yeah.
What?
So sorry, I'm like,
The British
oh
music scene is
yeah.
something that
So this, yeah, okay. So firstly, sorry, because Suede is not a band that many people actually like react like that to. They have a song called "Everything Will Flow,"
okay.
which this song reminds me of that, especially that opening part, right? That
Ah,
yeah,
I
like,
remember the lyrics.
everything will flow. There's a song like that, and there's a song where the part where he ends with everything, and he sings it the same way, and I always sing will flow.
Ah, okay.
It ends that way. Remember, by the way, how many? This is a 16-minute song that we heard, and because I actually did this, I'm going to ask you, how many words do you think this song has in total? Like, how many distinct words?
Not much for a 16-minute song. That's what I would say.
Yeah, yeah.
Because
Take a
there's a
guess.
lot of
Take a guess.
instrumental sections
Take
in
a
it.
guess because I counted.
372.
Unique words.
Oh,
Unique
oh,
words.
that's got to be around 120 or something like 150.
25. I counted, by the way, while doing the song during one of the down parts. Like, wow, everything's repeat. So I have this lyrics thing with my Winamp, okay, and
Yeah,
suddenly
yeah,
for a
yeah,
16-minute song, it seemed damn small. Like, where's the rest of it? Did some lyrics get chopped? And then I went, so only this? Fuck, really? One, two, oh, okay. Then I thought I'd sit and count and see because
25 words.
25 words, that's
It.
it. I think there's a song called Revolution Number. No, wait. I
I
Want
know.
You, It's So Heavy by the Beatles.
I want you.
Chill. I want you so bad. So if you count over that also it's like some 20, because I Want You, She's So Heavy itself
That's it.
takes up
That's it.
about half the song. And everything else, I want you so bad, is driving me mad, is driving me
Everything.
mad. Last two lines are the same also. So
Correct.
there are very few. Mad becomes bad. So
Bad.
like,
That's all.
wow, those guys are like what what drugs can do to creativity. I think there is no like I argue like everyone says that Pink Floyd is the like band on drugs, but ironically, I don't think any of the Floyd were on drugs except for Barrett, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Like none of them
absolutely.
were stoners or
No,
like
no, 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 no.
like this guy Gilmore said he's like some done some drug, but it seemed like one of
That's it.
the random pastimes,
Not for creative. I mean,
not for
obviously,
creativity.
by the way, the creative force behind the band for most of the biggest albums was Roger Waters, and he
Yeah,
doesn't. He just like
yeah.
he doesn't even smoke up. He just
Yeah,
like
yeah,
smoke.
yeah, yeah. So Bertie, actually, that's a damn interesting question. What other bands can attribute creativity to drugs like how the Beatles did? They obviously had a lot of
Dude,
talent, but
Jefferson Airplane.
ah, I forgot that
If you
scene.
name your band after the way
Uh,
it, okay, that one. Second, Fleetwood Mac.
Fleetwood Mac, yeah.
Okay,
Although
their
Fleetwood,
their drug abuse.
which era though? Take Fleetwood Mac is like
No,
five different eras.
no, all the eras you take. No, from Peter Green to Lindsey
Really?
Buckingham. Yeah, there are apparently due after rumors they put them all into a studio, and the
Yeah.
studio became a like the
Hot
entire
box,
studio
hot
was a
box,
hot
hot
box. The
box.
entire studio was a hot box.
Really? Huh? Did not know that.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
Fleetwood Mac was that way.
And check out Exile on Main Street by Rolling Stones. Again, full
The
on.
thing is, the sad thing, I guess, I don't know whether this is a sad thing to be very honest, but you won't find that shit happening now. No, you won't find
Yeah.
you
Just
won't
because
find
production, yeah. See, the thing is this, right? It's just one guy making the music.
no, no, not
Everybody.
that. That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Because you need to be more professional today. If you need to
Ah,
make
okay,
it in the
that's
music business, like you're expected to deliver from word go. See, the Floyd made music at a time when, like, their eighth album was their first hit in
yeah,
that sense.
absolutely.
They were in an era where they could afford to muck around for 7 albums. Who has that luxury? Not just in terms of the industry, but even as listeners. If like a band delivers 7 duds, who we won't have the patience to listen to it. No.
We had this conversation before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing. Same thing. Now
Amazing.
you can't eat like your first
Yeah, yeah.
track on Spotify. If
Has
it
to
doesn't
be a
have like a 10,000 listens,
Yeah.
then nobody's gonna come and pay you
And
for
and
the rest of the album.
the thing is, it's not just for like mainstream music. Even people like you and me, right? Like we wouldn't. I don't know that it's kind of sad that way, but
I was talking to Naveen about this the other day.
yeah.
So, for example,
for our
Naveen,
listeners, please explain.
the,
Go on.
the original dog guy. Okay, so the thing is this.
Say what original dog is, no, in case people don't know.
Okay, original dog is his crowdfunding.
Bertie, should I teach you everything?
You are guru management.
No, I'm going to PR you. I'm going to PR the crap out of you. Yeah.
So original dog is his.
Bertie merch will be there in a year. Mark my words. I run an Instagram account featuring cats making fun of advertising, and I sold 50 calendars of that.
Fantastic.
One of which is there. So you will be very easy to make merch out of. I'm telling you, if I put out on Twitter right now saying, would you buy a Bertie bobblehead, which will randomly give you a prog suggestion every day prog suggestion.
Like
or a Toto fact.
Slap the face and it will give you a fact. Slap for a fact.
Slap this way, it will give you a fact. Slap other way, it will give you a prog song recommendation. I'm putting this on Kickstarter, I'm telling you.
Slap the bassist. Instead of slap the bass, slap the bassist.
Oh, dude, this is amazing. I want this. Excellent. I have ideas for Bertie merch now. Okay. What you were saying, drugs.
Original Dog. So Original Dog
is
an initiative where they support indie musicians by giving them a platform for crowdfunding completely free of cost, where you can put up your music, your video, everything, and then reach out to people. That's it. Completely free of cost.
That's very cool. That's very,
cool.
very
They already have like about 40, 50 artists, and they've already made money. I mean, they've made videos using the money that they've crowdfunded.
That's very cool, man. That's very cool. That's very nice.
Yeah. So, Naveen, I was talking about the
biggest. Sorry. And for context, Bertie just finished his first one, which was on Pink Floyd yesterday at the time of recording. So while you are seeing this, those Bertie bobbleheads might actually be in front of you, and might be a completely different thing. Anyway, move on.
So I was talking to him about Dua Lipa. Now, Dua Lipa is the biggest artist out of 2020, right? And people know her songs, but I don't know if anybody else has heard the album in its entirety.
Yeah.
Right? And she knows the business, so she, made sure that every song she did, she had a particular hype to it.
Yeah.
But the other day, I sat and listened to it as an album.
Yeah.
And it's a completely different trip on its own. Right? But nobody ever does.
Nobody does that. Yeah.
On Spotify itself, only if you click on see discography and you go down, the album is there.
Yeah.
Or else it's all a top hits on top, and that's how it works.
Yeah. I don't necessarily. Yeah. I don't necessarily think that there's a bad thing. I see people lamenting the death of the album. I'm like, so what? It's okay. Like, it's different now. The album was a disruptor at one point of time. You have to remember, like everything. Like I in a few years, I think it will be. Already for many people, when they think of music, the first thing they think of is a music video rather than a song, just pure audio. And I think, that could
be change that. So I was talking about this yesterday. The fact that Dark Side of the Moon.
Yeah.
Right. I heard it on tape.
Yeah.
And my Walkman did not have that forward reverse. It had, but it didn't work. Right. And you have to keep doing it till you enter it. And you can't skip.
You were saying yesterday you were hearing. This is how hipster you were.
No. This is when I was a kid.
Oh, kid. I thought like yesterday. I don't know. Like you do these things.
So Dark Side
of the Moon. Like if I were to if somebody told me one of your friends has been listening to Dark Side of the Moon on a Walkman yesterday, I would be like, a few people are there. Bertie is very easy one of them.
I do have a Sony Walkman.
Fair.
I don't have Dark Side of the Moon.
Fair enough. You obviously have the sheet music for Animals also somewhere.
the Sony Walkman actually has greatest hits of Jagdeep singing. If you want to, that's what I
Okay, at least I'm rambling.
so no, the thing is this. So
Hmm.
in Dark Side of the Moon, I had to listen to all the songs. There was no skip. There was no
Yeah.
forward. There's no
Yeah,
reverse.
yeah.
Right? If given a chance, maybe if I skipped Great King of the Sky because I thought it was weird, I would have never gone to love the song. Because on the first listen, it's like, why?
Yeah, yeah.
Weird. Right? Now this song which you just heard, Remember Us, is just it's one of those songs where you have to be in the right place and
That's
you
true.
have to
Yeah,
listen to it in
yeah.
really good sound. And I love
Yeah.
the fact that Pineapple Thief happened now
Hmm.
in the in this particular era.
Yeah.
I don't think they would have. I don't know if in any other era they would have taken off as much as they are going to do now. But the fact that technological advancements and the fact that people can listen to such things in this format is going to help them do very well. And
Yeah.
we are personally going to be responsible for them becoming a big thing in India.
We are.
That's what you're going to tell
What
me.
do we are? What? Oh, because of this, because of these videos.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. I mean, not getting them down, or are we?
Why
Okay.
not?
Start a cover band. Pineapple. We steal their songs. Pineapple Thief, Thief.
Pineapple Thief.
Very sad. Okay.